Previously on
IELF Unboxes.
Maybe you just want me to wake you up with a kiss. What in the world? Gambit, you gotta stop going around waking people up with kisses. Professor X didn't seem to mind so much, but just imagine if you did that to Jean or Jubilee. You gotta ask permission. Get consent.
Oh, guess fuck! Because you demanded it, an extra long IELF Unboxes.
Greetings, Earthlings! Intelligentsielf with Tier 4K here, bringing you another episode of IELF Unboxes. Today we'll be looking at another... Damn it.
Almost.
That's right, the Ragin' Cajun is back in all his vibrant vintage glory. Like Rogue, Gambit has been packaged in that familiar Toy Biz retro-style card back as a nod to the original X-Men toy line that Gambit was actually a part of in its inaugural wave.
Whoops. There he is. Oh man, this coat is so much better than the original toy.
If you got the Apocalypse Build-A-Figure wave, you'll be pretty familiar with this figure's design and articulation. The only thing different here, besides this updated hairpiece, are paint apps meant to reflect the vibrant cartoon colors of Fox's original X-Men animated series. The entire body and coat have been brightened, and instead of the solid black of the first release, this figure sports a bluer tint and the accessory throwing cards have a white finish that pop with detail while wrapped around Gambit's supercharged kinetic energy fields. And while Gambit likes solitaire just fine, you know he prefers having someone to play with.
Mon cher. Sugar. So that's that. The Target exclusive Hasbro Marvel Legends Retro Gambit figure. We were able to pick up Gambit and Rogue through the Target app's drive-up system, and I cannot tell you how giddy I was when the Target employee approached the car carrying Mr. and Mrs. X. These two have always been my absolute favorite X couple, and I love seeing them in these bright colors together. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram at Tier 4K Alliance, Tier 4K Academy, and Intelligentsielf Tier 4K. And check back next week for even more unboxing videos. Until next time, Earthlings! Gute Nacht! I'm off to bed! Mein Gott! What did I say? Sacre bleu!